If you help care for an aging parent, you know the feeling. The medication list is in your head, the appointment cards are in a purse, and one doctor's number is in somebody's phone. It works right up until the day it can't. The Caregiver and Aging Parent Care Binder gets all of it out of one head and onto the page in a workbook your family owns. Start with the Emergency Handoff sheet. You never type on this page. Fill in the care summary, the medications, and your key contacts, and it builds itself from them. The conditions, the allergies, the primary doctor, the preferred hospital, every current dose, and where the advance directive is kept. Print it for the front of the binder, and it is already right on the day you need it. The Care Dashboard reads every other tab and answers the question you actually have when you sit down with it. What needs doing today? How far along the binder is? What to reorder? When the next appointment is? And who it is with? And how many questions are waiting for the next visit? Every number on it calculates itself. The Medications tab holds every current medication, with the dose, when it is taken, what it is for, and the pharmacy. Add the date each prescription next needs refilling, and the binder flags it. Order now once the date has passed. Due soon, in the week before. It is a record you keep, not medical advice. The medication board turns that same list into a morning, midday, evening, and bedtime board a stand-in caregiver can follow. It builds itself from the schedule you picked, so changing it in one place changes the board. It shows when a dose is due, never how much to give. That belongs on the bottle, and in the column beside it. Appointments keeps what is coming up, how she will get there, and what each visit decided, and counts each one down. Today, this week, or still ahead. And visit prep and notes holds the change you noticed on Tuesday and the question you meant to ask. So they are in front of you at the appointment instead of remembered on the drive home. It works in Excel, in LibreOffice, and as a native Google Sheet. Open the included link, choose Make a Copy, and the whole binder lands in your drive with every dropdown, every formula, and every flag already set up and tested. No import, no fiddling. Best of all, the file is yours. Unlike a subscription care app holding your parents' most sensitive records on someone else's server, it cannot be locked behind a lapsed payment and will not vanish if a service shuts down. 14 tabs and 4 guides, with a clearly fictional example you make your own, a one-time purchase you keep. From Ardent Workshop.